Back again, day 5. This is the final day. And we're cutting fabric. This is non-woven fabric. It will drain, filter fabric. Put that on top of the clean stone, the 57 stone, the drainage column behind the wall. You want impervious fill on the top. Your top cap needs to be soil or something, ideally soil, and ideally it's planted very quickly. You don't want water basically just sitting in there and seeping into the wall unnecessarily. This is pretty funny. If you see me, I'm in my winter coat and Tommy's in a t-shirt. So that's kind of the difference between how we like the weather, I guess. Loading portage on. That's nice having the sling on there. It only costs a few bucks extra to run it, and it gives us the option to load it with the excavator. Much easier. The old way we used to do it was not the best, putting pallet forks on the excavator, and it didn't really work because the pallet forks were not actually attached. Just restaging the block and everything, just cleaning everything up. Tommy's moving we're mixing mortar. He's doing it himself, putting mortar in the bottom of the wall on both sides here, this side and then on the opposite side where he's at too. Just because we ended up saw cutting the driveway so we could get our 6 inches of base in front. And basically just wrapping up the job. And that's it.